Hey everyone, first up, the Tech Shark R5 Ultra, and honestly, this thing made my old mouse feel prehistoric. In the box, you get an aviator cable, but heads up, not every version comes with it, so double check your seller before buying. The mouse looks really clean. I got a white version, but it also comes in green, burgundy, and black. Inside the box, Shark stickers, grips, some paperwork, and 8K receiver. I really appreciate that they include stickers, gotta love with the details. The branded cable is super soft, like genuinely soft, not marketing soft. Under the hood, it's got a carbon fiber body, a flagship sensors, up to 42,000 dpi and 8K pulling rate, and switches are rated 100 million clicks. Basically, every gaming mouse buzzword you can think of. And yes, Bluetooth, USB-C, 8K wireless, the whole package. At the point, I'm pretty sure I can file my taxes too. Now meet my retired soldier, the bloody W95. She's beaten up, fallen apart, honestly she's been on life support for way too long. Rest in peace, bestie, you're served well. Old mouse weight 160 grams. This one is listed at 39 grams. Realistically, it's close to 44. The difference is insane. It's borderline illegal how light this thing is. One thing to note, dust gets inside the cell pretty fast, and yes, if you have a trypophobia, I'm so deeply sorry. The clicks are quiet and satisfying. You can customize lift-off distance. I kept mine at 2 macros, button remapping, the usual stuff. Overall, lightweight, fits pretty in hand, instant response, you move it a little and the cursor is already where you need it. My hand is happy, that's all I ask. Next up, headphones. Okay, so, you know that saying buy cheaper, buy twice? Yeah, hi, that's me. I used to rock the Logitech G435, lightweight, comfortable, genuinely great, but they have known issue with the wireless receiver and mine died literally the day after warranty expired, not a day before, not a week after, the day after. So I tried the VGN VXE V1 for about $20 in box, headphones, manual, USB receiver and Type-C cable. Works wired, Bluetooth and wireless. It has a mic, but I don't test it, I use a separate one. For the price, fine. They soft, comfortable, 3 connection options, genuinely not bad. But they feel heavy on head after a while, the plastics feel weirdly flimsy, and pulling out the receiver is annoyingly fiddly. Oh, and the Chinese woman will greet you every time you turn them on, didn't see the listed anywhere, bonus feature I guess?
耳机开启，等待耳机连接，请稍后，适配器已连接。
Sound-wise, loud, sure, but it feels like listening from inside a barrel, like a very cool barrel, not my thing. I did a quick audio comparison, both headphones, same track, link is in the comment if you want to judge for yourself. Long story short, I went back to my beloved Logitech G435, same model, just in black this time. The fact that I won them twice, despite the known delivery issue, tells you everything you need to know. The sound is great, they weigh nothing, I forgot I'm wearing them, highly recommended. Would I buy them a third time if this one dies too? Probably, don't tell my wallet. While I was replacing half my setup anyway, I also swapped my chair for a Cougar. My back immediately approved it. If you want a full review, let me know in the comment. Okay, and now the main event, continuing to beloved tradition of absolutely destroying my PC. For you, it's been 1 week, for me, it's been a whole year. The inside looked like a dust museum, like actually historic exhibit levels of dust, so I tearing everything apart and clean it properly. The RX 7800XT found a new home, had it since April 2025, zero complaints. So you deserved better than me. I'm sorry, girl. Old build, Ryzen 55600X B550 Gaming Plus motherboard, 32GB DDR4, and all of it is already found new orders. Pulling the M2 drives, those are coming with me to the next build, connecting everything else. Scrapped all the old thermal paste, pulling the motherboard. New build, MSI B850 Tomahawk Max to 16 DPS sticks and Ryzen 7 7800X3D. The B850 is great to build on, fresh chipset, supports new Ryzen without BIOS drama, Wi-Fi 7, 5 gigabits per second LAN, 2 PCIe 5.0 M2 slots, GPU clips in with a button, M2 locks with a latch. Building on this board is genuinely satisfying, like really satisfying. $32GB DDR5 Lancer plate, got the RAM just before pricing went up, small win. The Ryzen 7 7800X4D, still one of the best gaming CPU for the money. But wow, does it run hot? Install the motherboard. M2 drives go back in. Then the CPU, thermal paste. And keeping the same color. Oh. Kept the same cooler, headless is fine, idle 58 degrees, gaming 71-72. GPU upgrades, swap with one wall for another, now running the RX 9070XT Hellhound, idle 38 degrees, gaming 58-60, much happier temperatures, she is absolutely thriving. My PC now lives on the floor. Yeah, I know, one day I'll get a proper desk setup. For now, it's moonlights and the nightlight, a very expensive nightlight. Also, shout out to Wi-Fi antenna, looks exactly like a shark fin. My PC is officially a shark now. By the way, what was your last PC upgrade? Let me know in a comment, I need to know I'm not only the one who goes a little overboard. Full specs in the description. Thanks for watching.